Hi, I'm Dr. Tess Finley here at Bailey Dental Group, and I'm here today to talk to you about common myths and misconceptions in the dental field. Sometimes patients tell me that they're scared to get their treatment done because they think the needles are very big, very painful. It kind of makes them a little bit more apprehensive. Well, here at Bailey Dental Group, we use several techniques to make sure your anesthesia is super comfortable. We make sure that you're at ease during your appointments so that you can get your treatment. Sometimes patients that are researching dental implants come to me and ask me, is the implant screw really super big like that? Or they just don't like the idea of calling it a screw, putting it into their bone. The implants that we use are actually very small. They're measured in millimeters. They're a perfect fit for the missing space that you might have. It's a very, very easy procedure. Another misconception is that an implant procedure is very big, very scary. Totally not. Very easy. You're completely numb, super comfortable. Implants are a great way to restore your smile or missing teeth. Sometimes patients tell me that they're scared the anesthesia is going to hurt, or the reason they don't come to the dentist is because they're afraid of getting a shot. We use a lot of different techniques to make sure you are comfortable during your anesthesia for your appointment. Sometimes patients are worried about being able to stay open for their dental appointments. And I get it. Sometimes we ask you to be open for a little while, or you need more extensive treatment. Here at Bailey Dental Group, we use several different things that can help you during your dental visit. We use a number of different bite blocks, a number of different suctions to help you be able to rest your jaw while you're getting procedures done, and you don't have to worry about staying open for so long. A lot of times, patients are worried that their dental treatment is going to be painful. Well, here at the office, we make sure that you are super comfortable. We make sure you're super numb. We are always double checking during our procedures to make sure you're comfortable the entire time. That way you can get the treatment that you need. Sometimes patients come in for their new patient appointments and they don't have any concerns. They say everything feels great and they're not worried at all about anything. But sometimes during our data collection, when we're taking x-rays, we're taking scans, we're going over everything that has to do with your teeth. And sometimes even though you may not feel uncomfortable or something may not be bothering you, sometimes there is something going on underneath when we take a deeper look. So it's always good to come in for a full comprehensive exam so we can make sure we're not missing anything in regards to your treatment, especially if that's something, if you do, feel really good for a long time, we want to make sure that we don't miss anything. So in the future, there's not a more extensive procedure that you may need because something was missed before because you didn't really feel anything. So making sure you're coming in regularly so that we can make sure that your teeth are healthy, your gums are healthy, and that you don't have anything to worry about. I hope I was able to talk to you a little bit about some common myths and misconceptions about dentistry. If you have any other questions at all, feel free to give our office a call at 586-727-7531.